Hi guys, it's Allie here from Allie Loves to Plan, and today we're going to be planning in my LBGM agenda for the week of October 19th. So if you'd like to see that, come plan with me. Alright, so for this spread, we're going to be using some florals from the flower sticker book, as well as our fall stickers, and we're also going to be using This Is Us from Sugary Gal collection. This is a super cute book. If you don't have it, we're going to be using this one, and you can find this at Michael's. So let's go ahead and open up our planner. I updated the front part here. I received these 3 different pockets that I ordered from Planners Anonymous, as well as some cards, and I put them in here. And then I updated the side here with some of my Planners Anonymous note to self kits. So I thought this looks super cute. So let's go to our weekly. And let's take a look. So this is last week. This is how it turned out. Super functional. Absolutely love it. I love this all week. I love the kind of toned down colors that we have, and it turned out super cute. So this week we are planning for the week of October 19th through the 25th. So let's go ahead and take these out, and then we will put our planner to the side and get started. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I want to go ahead and set down the appointments that we have for the week. This one has a lot of really cute stuff that I also want to use. So I know I want to use this planner here for Friday, actually for Thursday, because it would be Friday when the plan with me goes up. So I want to notate that there. There's another one here towards the back, I believe. Here we go. And we'll do the pink. Well, we'll do the purple so that we keep them both the same color. We'll do this one for Tuesday to notate that the plan with me needs to go up on Tuesday. So those are down. Let's see, there was other stuff in here that I wanted to use. These are super, super cute. I do have Happy Mail coming in that is supposed to arrive today from Jane's Agenda, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm going to notate that to remind me to go to the mail, pick that up. Let's see what else. I kind of like these, but I really want to use these. Maybe we can use those. We'll see in a second. I want to put one of these for Saturday. Relax and unwind. This will be super cute. We really need to do a relax and unwind session. So we'll put that. We'll just set it down like this. Cute. Oops, it's falling apart here. Let's see. We don't need the mani-pedi because I just got my nails done. I was super glad that I was able to go in and get them done. We don't have a payday this week, but we do have groceries that need to get done on Sunday. So we'll put Lady D down for Sunday. Of course, we have to work all week. And okay, for now, let me just put these to the side and we'll keep going. I know I wanted to use these, but I'm actually thinking I really want to use these here as well. So let's try these out instead. We could put this down. So we have our meeting that we need to notate for Friday. We have a meeting on Tuesday, but Tuesday morning before my meeting, I have a trial, so I want that to stand out at me for the trial on Tuesday morning, and then this is going to be for our Tuesday meeting. I also have a teleconference with the client on this day, so we'll go ahead and set that down for Monday. We also have a hearing on Thursday that we need to notate with this one here. There we go. To remember, we only use these as accents so that anything that is important or more important for each day pops out. So that's what these are for. Then on Wednesday, we have another trial in the morning. We normally don't like to have these exactly on the same line, but these are both at 8 a.m., so that's fine. I do also have a client deposition on Tuesday afternoon, so we'll put this one down here, and that'll be fine. And we have the hearing in the morning, and I have a deposition in the afternoon as well. This is a busy week for me. Go ahead and put this one down here. Move it over just a little bit. It's too far out to the side. There we go. I have to do some reviews prior to depo with the client. Have another phone call, teleconference on Friday after our meeting. Okay. Then Monday, we need to put another one as well. Okay. We need to put one down for Saturday. And then we do have our Sunday coffee that we need to put down as well. There we go. So far that looks really good. Now, let's see about these that we have here. So I have this one, which we can put, I want to put them kind of, I can put this one here. I just need to lift this one up so that it's background. So let's go ahead and move this one up first. Put this down kind of where I want it. There we go, and that looks cute. Let's do the same thing here with this bigger one that we have. I think that will look really cute. And that looks cute. That looks really cute so far. We have one more. This one here, and I'm thinking I kind of want this one down here, and then we could put a quote down in this area. There we go, and just set it down. Okay, then we have these ones which are super cute, and we're just going to put these around in the boxes up here. Here, and that takes care of everything. Like literally there is, oh wait, I just saw some more. I thought we had no more. Where'd they go? Ah. Oh my god, I keep seeing them. There we are. Yes, this is good news. Okay, I needed some more. We could put some here now. Okay, let's see. Maybe we could do this one, just a little bit. Okay, we could put it like so. So we're gonna lift this one and that one. Perfect. Okay, now I need a quote for down here and another one for here. We did have some quotes in here. I have this one that says fall. I think that would fit down here. Let's see if it fits. Ah. So it does fit, but I feel like I want it on this side because it's kind of going too much into this part here. Yeah, so let's move this over to this side. Okay, so that looks really cute already. Now I would like some leaves on this side with something else here. Let's see, what else do we have for fall? Okay, knitting and the cozy things. Fall scented candles. That's kind of cute, and we could put some candles. I do love fall scented candles for fall. Let's see if there's another candle. Yes, there is. We could put both candles here. Or we could put fall scented candles in the middle, and then we put the candles around it. I like that better. Put this one here. Put this here. And we'll put this cute one here. There we go. That's cute. I'm thinking I'm gonna put another one of these down for Friday. Maybe on this side. And the other one on Wednesday, because I believe I do have another that's on Wednesday. I don't know how I feel about this. I like these, but I feel like I should bring in a different color for these. We have these, which are really cute. We could use both of these. We can use this one for Friday instead of this one. We can use this one for Wednesday. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay, I feel like I like that better. But I don't really like that both of these are right next to each other here. That feels a little bit better to me. Maybe if I put some of the leaves on this side. And of course we just rip that. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's cute. I love all the leaves, but I don't know. It'll look better once I've written in it. I know that for sure. So let's see how it looks in the planner. Please. Okay. Not too bad. It's actually pretty cute. I love all of the LEDs. And with a black pen, I think it'll actually look really cute. So you'll have to wait and see the after the pen next week, but this is it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye!